Sugar ant bait options focused on sugar-based formulations are the most effective way to stop kitchen-invading foragers by using targeted, slow-acting toxicants paired with attractive carbohydrates. Sugar ants are driven by a need for carbohydrates, so placing a bait that combines a sweet food source with a slow-acting toxicant lets foragers feed and share the bait with the colony, collapsing the nest over time. Use borax sugar gel bait stations as a reliable do-it-yourself option by dissolving 1 tablespoon of borax into 1 cup of warm water, then mixing in 1 cup of sugar until it forms a syrupy gel. Place a small amount on a bottle cap or inside a shallow plastic lid near active trails and check daily. For homeowners who prefer ready-made products, commercial gel baits like Advion sugar gel and Amdro sugar baits have professional-strength active ingredients formulated for ant-sharing behavior. Apply small, pea-sized drops in cracks, crevices, and behind appliances where children and pets cannot access them. Pre-filled bait stations are useful when pets or children are present because they allow placement in areas where loose gels would be unsafe. Choose stations labeled for indoor use and replace them when bait is depleted or contaminated by dust. When making homemade syrup borax bait, ensure the consistency is syrupy, not watery, so ants feed easily without drowning, and always use borax sparingly to minimize non-target exposure. Place all baits along ant runways, at points where trails meet walls or baseboards, and be patient because colony-level control often takes several days to 3 weeks depending on colony size and foraging patterns. Common mistakes include using too strong a poison or too dilute a bait, which prevents transfer. If bait contains excessive concentrations of toxicant, ants will die before sharing, so stick to low-concentration borax mixes or label recommended gel strengths. Another frequent issue is placing bait where it will be disturbed by condensation, cleaning, or pests. Keep stations in stable, dry spots near trails and replace them when spoiled. A third problem is treating visible workers only and not addressing nesting areas. Follow the foraging trails to place baits near entry points and maintain baiting for as long as ants are actively feeding to ensure the queen and brood are affected. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare sugar-based bait approaches and find local contractors who offer pest management services that complement bait strategies. We host an active discussion community so our users can share field-tested tips, bait recipes, placement photos, and ask questions, while contractors use our platform to find work and connect with homeowners seeking targeted indoor ant control.